Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS group of school. So student, today we will read the rest of the story, The Glimpse of the Past. So we have read about Rajaram Mohan Rai and we have read, so now we will read the operations. What is the means of operations? Means harassment, how the British was harassing the Indians. What were the policies? By using the policies they were harassing the Indians. So, but the British continued to oppress Indians. They continue harassing the Indians and in 1818 they had passed regulation. Regulation means a rule. Under it, an Indian could jail without trial in a court. Without appearing in a court, Indian can be sent to the jail. As it is not a rule that everyone who had done any crime he had to appear in court. When the after court decision he is sent to jail. But what the rule they apply, British, that any Indian can be sent to the jail without any trial in court. All the British officers in India drew big salaries and also made fortunes in private business. So every British officer was taking very big salaries and they were making very profit also in their business. So slowly they were rising, they were growing their kingdom. Then by 1829 Britain was exporting British good worth 7 crore rupees to India. Now they were exporting goods which was worth 7 crore rupees to India. How they were taking profit from India. At that period you can think in a 10th century they were making so much money from India. The British prospered and the company loot while Indian industries began to die. So British was becoming rich and rich by the loot, but the money what they were making from India, and other side Indian industries was finishing. They were dying because there was no work for them, as everything was taken by British and they were becoming rich and Indian people were becoming poor. Governor General Banting reported back home, and when Governor General Banting went to England, he informed the condition of the Indians and British in India. What he reported there? The bones of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains. The bones of cotton weavers in Indian farmers, they are bleaching the plains of India, whitened from the India, as they were working very hard in sun and they were only doing the work of cotton in the plains of India. It means the condition. The means of this line is that the condition of the farmers in India were very bad. You cannot imagine. Then dissatisfaction. Nobody was satisfied with the rule of British. So these are the things which were letting the Indians to start a war against British. So everyone was dissatisfied. Some have different reasons, some have different, but everyone was dissatisfied. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. At that time, education in India was in Persian and language and Sanskrit language. And in 1835, what an Englishman named Macaulay, as you know, whatever the education system we are following today, it was brought in India by Lord Macaulay. So whatever the education system what we are following today, it was brought in India by Lord Macaulay. So before this system we were studying in Persian and Sanskrit languages, and after that Macaulay suggested a change. He suggested that they should teach Indian English we should teach the native people of India through the English language. British decided to teach Indians English language. I agree, and their officer agreed for that thing. English education produced clerk to whom the British gave, and what they were not thinking good about Indian. They were just thinking what was the thinking to brought the modern system of English. Just they want to educate the people that they can speak in English, and they will get clerks, and to whom they will go give a very small jobs, low jobs under them. Incidentally, it also produce but also they fulfill their dream, but except that the Indians were educating slowly, and as they were educating by all subjects, their intelligence were growing. We must educate our brother. And what the people were thinking, they were thinking that we should educate our brothers and try to improve their material, and material means related to money, whatever the economical condition. And Indians were thinking that if we will educate our brothers, others, then our material economical condition will be improved. For that we must convey our grievance to the British Parliament. They think that we should request to the British Parliament, and we should tell the bad condition of our. Then as you starting, you can see now you will see the map, how much area was covered by British. Pink area is showing. In earlier we saw the map where yellow area was more. Now we can see that by 1856 the British covered most of the area of Indians. They conquered all most of land of the India. They cared little about the need, and the British didn't care about India, what they want, what are their necessity. They were just thinking about their profit. Our kings have become puppet is a kind of doll which is controlled by someone else. So we Indians condition were the same. They were just like puppet which were which who was controlled by British. So they were feeling that they were puppet, and we have lost our old job. And all Indians, farmers or artisans, they lost their jobs and land. They are also lost their lands. They are converting our brother, and the British were also converting, as there were only Hindus and Muslims, and they were converting their religion. They were making the people Christians. You only do something to drive them out. So people were thinking that only talking. The people were thinking that only talking is not enough. They had to do something to drive the British from India. Then spark means a feeling to take revenge. How the what were the incident that gave a feeling strength Indians to fight against British. Then taxes continued to ruin the peasant. Peasant means farmers. Peasants means farmers, because whatever the taxes they have applied on farmers, they were ruining the farmers of India. In Bengal, and what is the policy? The Santals who had lost their land. Santal was a group of people who lost their land. New land rules, because as there was too much taxes applied, so all the Santals were lost their land due to the rules. Became so they were very desperate. They were very sad. They were very angry, and in 1855 they rose in rebellion. Rebel means revolt, means oppose against something. They rose in rebellion and massacred means killed, and killed European. They killed so many Europeans and their supporters alike. In anger they killed. So massacred means killed, to kill. They killed too many Europeans and their supporters in anger, as their land were taken by the British. Then what happened? Discontent means not satisfied. Brewing means began to when something started to develop. Everyone was dissatisfied, and in the East India Company army too, and the Indians who were working in East India Company army, they were also not satisfied. Why they were not the Indian people who were working in the East India Company's army, they were also not satisfied. And what were the reasons? The white soldiers get huge pay. The white soldiers get more salary, and the Indian soldier get less salary. That is the reason. And British soldier lives in mansions in Bangalore in big house, and they had servants who work for them, while we get pittance and slow promotion. And in other side, Indian soldier get very petty salary, and they didn't get promotion in their job. We must drive out the Angrez. And what the Indian soldier were thinking, that they had to drive the Angrez from there. The Angrez asked us to cross the seas, and what the British did, British asked the Indian soldiers to cross the sea, and it was the thinking in India that if they cross the sea, their religion will be abolished, and which is against their religions. Who is the topi wala to abolish our old? So they were thinking that how can they think, how can the British think to finish their religion by sending them to cross the sea? So all the things were started that they had to drive the British from India. Sepoy means soldier. Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment. Regiment means army, and adjutant means officer. So what Mangal Pandey did, he attacked on the officer of army and was executed, and he was killed. And doing that thing, he was killed. Adjutant means officer, and regiment means army. So Mangal Pandey attacked on the officer of his army, and Mangal Pandey was killed. Then what happened? Thousands of other sepoys everyone also opposed. So many soldiers opposed. They were those soldiers who opposed, they stripped means to take away. So British take away their jobs from them. British took away their jobs from them. They take their uniform from them and insulted the Indian soldiers and put into irons and put them into prison. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian custom or the people's mind. Some Englishmen understand the Indian custom and people mind. Oh proud Brahman soldier, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? And what they told, that what do you know what is grease on the bullet? There is a kind of cover grease on the bullet which they had to remove before using it, and they had to remove that thing by their teeth. And that grease was made of what? It was made of fat of cows and pigs. Cows were very good thing for Hindus, and pigs is very bad thing for Muslims. So in that way they were also very discontent from British, that they were abolishing their religion. The white man, they were thinking that the Englishmen, that the British were cheating to them. Soon then what happened? Soon chapatis were sent from villages to villages, and to give message. Chapatis were sent to the villages to give message, and their emperor would want their service. To whom the chapatis were given, it means that the emperor want their service to help. Yes, all my villages men will be ready, and who accept the chapatis, it means that he or she will be was ready to give their help. Similarly, lotus flower circulated, and in the same, you cannot. Why the things were using at that time, because you cannot say anything straightforward. The things are using to give message. In the same way, lotus flower were circulated in the village to give message dead to the foreigners, and everyone was just thinking to kill the all foreigners. The masses means people, masses means pupils. The masses gave all help and shelter to the patriot who worked for the country, and all the people were ready to help our patriots. Then the time to take revenge, revolt. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. Then there was a very intense act at Meerut. Indian people attacked on British. The Sipayos marched to the Delhi. So many Indian soldiers went to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. To meet, so many soldiers went to Delhi to meet Bahadur Shah, and they announced Bahadur Shah as their leader or king. The rebellion spread wider, and then there was everywhere there was a kind of revenge who was taking. Every Indian was fighting with British. Many landlords had lost their land because of the British policies. So many people lost their land, and they were sore, and so they were very angry. Sore means they were very angry. The white man's rule must. So everyone was saying that the white man's rule should be ended. Yes, we will help you, and everyone was agree to give help to Indian soldier to finish the British. The fight. Then the time is for the fight of 1857. It was a very it was a kind of milestone in the fight of the for the freedom. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal at Lucknow were bitter. So many rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal, who was a ruler of Lucknow, were very angry, were very disappointed, because her kingdom was also taken by British. The white man has taken my kingdom, because the white man also taken her kingdom. They joined the upsurge means revolt, rise, to starting of something, an act of something. All they joined the hand with each other. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, and everyone was encouraged people to fight against. Everyone was encouraging people to fight against British, and they were saying, rise brother, the Angrez is ruining, and they were saying that the Angrez are ruining our land, our country, so we had to fight against them. The people rose so people came from everywhere to help the people in Bareilly, Kanpur, in every city or in every place people were ready to fight against British. Azimullah Khan told Tata Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war, and they suggested that we should make Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in the war of independence. 80 years old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet. It means so many people gave their life, then we got that freedom. 80 years old Kunwar Singh received a bullet in his wrist, and what he said, what were the last word? Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. And he said to his country, Mother Ganga, that now he is not able to give service to his country. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. Pounced means attacked. The patriot attacked upon British, and everywhere the war was started to get freedom. So these are the some glimpse to take a review you about the independence, how we got that freedom. So it is very necessary that we should be responsible towards our country. We should, that whatever we have today, it is not easy as we think. So we should love our country, we should try to develop our country. And so our story is finished here, and tomorrow I'll send the notes of this chapter. Thank you.